So the makers of the ever popular studio art bag, Soolla, just dropped their new product, the studio pouch. So the studio pouch is a great addition or a standalone bag for your studio travels. There's a couple of things here. We got 20 pockets, Y2K. I always think of the year 2000 whenever I see the YKK zippers. But YKK zipper, this fits an A5 notebook. We got some shoulder strap hooks for if you want to add an additional shoulder strap to it. Durable, machine washable canvas, which is a staple with their other studio bags as well. And of course, the lifetime warranty. I've actually been using one for my video gear bag right now currently. I have a new DJI camera that I'm actually filming this on right now. And so I got some little lenses, some attachments, grips, and I'm able to fit that all in here. I can throw this in my car, take it wherever I want to go, and have all the pieces ready to go there. So if you want to pick up one of your own studio pouches, you can head on over to their website. Check them out on Instagram. Their website is soolla.co. That's SOOLLA.co.